Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be guiding you on how to create an account on Twitch. I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial. All you have to do is follow the instruction correctly. Before getting started, make sure that you've already installed the application and also make sure to check your internet connection. As you can see that I have already installed the application, so all you need to do is just tap on it. So on the first interface, you have login and sign up. So right over here, in case if you already had an account on Twitch, then all you need to do is tap on login and then enter your login information in order to log in into your account. Since we are creating an account on Twitch, all you have to do is tap on sign up. So on the other page, you will be directed into sign up page, and over here, in order to sign up, you'll either have to use your phone number or your email address. As I'll be using my phone number, so you'll have to type in your number. So after you're done entering your phone number, next you'll have to create a username. So then make sure to enter a valid username, and after that you'll have to create a password. So make sure to create a strong password. So once you're done creating your password, next you'll have to enter your date of birth in order to verify your age. So make sure to enter the correct date of birth. So then once you're done selecting your date of birth, tap on done. So after done entering all the information, make sure to review it once again and then tap on sign up, which is right at the bottom. So you can see that right in center there's a pop-up, and over here it says that a verification code will be sent through your SMS. Instead of phone number, if you had to use your email address, then a confirmation code will be sent through your email. So then make sure to check your email or your SMS. Now you'll have to enter the verification code that will be sent through your following information that you've provided while signing up into your account. And once you're done, tap on submit, and in case if you don't receive a verification code, so then tap on resend code, which is right at the bottom. Since I've already got my verification code, then tap on submit. So once again, there is an option as add an email. In case if you want to add email, then just type in your email and then tap on submit, and a verification code will be sent through your email. And in case if you don't want to add your email address, just tap on skip in the top right corner. So now you'll have to select any one of these following options. So make sure to select what you're interested in. Just tap on it and then tap on show me live channel. And now you'll be able to explore Twitch account. So that is how you can create Twitch account on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.